Should we get to my favorite peptide? Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a hint. It's blue.
GHK-CU, yeah, very famous one.
This is the one of the most famous ones I think right now is the copper peptide. First, you need to tell us what is a copper peptide.
So basically it's copper binding, and it helps again with inflammatory pathways. This is the one the ladies love because of obviously anti-aging, very strong anti-aging properties, especially at the skin level. It helps to an extent with bone, soft tissue, joints as well.
Okay.
And results are very fast, very good results as well. This is a peptide which it's another daily. We look at 5 days on, 2 days off, and cycling this peptide, very important. In terms of its anti-aging and anti-inflammatory effects, it is really good, and it will help with your energy. I don't know if you noticed that. Pretty much most of these
I
help
think I'm
boost your
taking
energy.
so many, so I think
you don't know which one. Yeah, I mean, look.
I think that's the problem with stacking, right?
Yes.
Is that if you do one and then stack, then you can kind of tell what the benefit is.
Yes.
Now, I am joking about the fact that I take them all together. I was very particular with taking one and seeing the benefit.
Right.
With the GHKCU, which is one of the first ones that I did try, I didn't quite notice the difference in energy. I think that one for me was more the BPC. However, this one, and I'm not just exaggerating, within the first 3 days of taking GHKCU, I saw a major difference to my skin. I've already now seen a difference. So like I mentioned, I started to take GHKCU and then I switched to the Clo blend, which also has GHKCU. And maybe we'll talk a little bit more about that blend and the blends and why people take it
right.
Instead of just the straight GHKCU. But I did find that my hair, thanks to perimenopause, for the last, let's say, 3 years, had not grown. I had very limp hair. I'm not saying that I have the thickest, most luscious hair right now, but every time I go to the hairdresser or I go home, my mom, the first thing she says is that your hair has really changed. So I've noticed a massive change to the texture. I've seen new hair growth, and more so, I feel like my skin has completely changed. I mean, there's so much more, when I say collagen production, I mean, there's more elasticity to my skin. The texture has changed. I mean, they're saying that this can take over Botox in the next few years.
Well, I mean,
is that just a claim,
growth
or
hormone, promoting your growth hormone, it helps with additional benefits as well. Not, I mean, just the skin. I mean, as a lady, good hair, good skin.
Yes, of course,
energy,
that's what we're looking for.
Hot flushes. What more do you want? You know. This is one of the very popular ones.
So
right now.
so we'd say that the GHK-CU, I'm tongue twisted now. We say that GHK-CU is good for women, but I'm sure there's benefits for men too.
Yes, a lot. I mean, we look at, again, balding, good hair, post injury. This has its place as well, and this is where I'd say the blends come in.
Right.
Rather than doing isolated peptides, having to measure and mix. Pre-mixed, pre-dosed blends are convenient, so you're not doing 3 or 4 different jabs at a go. It's a single jab which has everything in one.
Right.
But for example, Clo and Glow, these are